Today I'm going to show you how to mount your prints. You're going to use your ruler and start on one side of your paper. Line it up with 1 inch on the bottom and the top. Lightly with your pencil, draw a line that connects each mark. And you're going to do this all 4 sides. That way you get a frame around the center so that you can glue it straight on the center of the page. As you make your way around, make sure that those pencil lines are super light, super delicate, easy enough to erase. Once you have that frame drawn on your paper, grab your print, make sure that the measurements are correct and it's centered. If not, go back and check what you've done. If you're ready, go ahead and grab your rubber cement. You're going to take your rubber cement along the edges of that frame you just created. And the rubber cement goes on just like a little paintbrush. You also want to draw an X in the center. And the same goes for the back of your print. So go along the edges and an X in the center. And we're going to let this dry for about 10 minutes before we dry mount them together. Now that the 10 minutes is up, we're going to take our print, carefully line it up with the bottom and lay it down flat. Take your eraser, go along the edges, make sure all those pencil lines are erased. And then you're going to grab your pencil and in cursive you're going to sign the bottom right of your print.